Here we go. This tool has a smaller blade, so this will make the cutting of a curve easier. I'm going to keep your hands to the side of the fan. If you go off the line, then just stop and ask for help. Don't push hard. Keep the downward pressure. Time, turn. Time. Good. Do the next one. Don't worry about that. It's not in your way. It will move itself. Put your hand behind the blade. There you go. Okay. Alright, hold it up there. Stop. Alright, and now we are ready to sand inside of our curve before we drill 2 holes on the ends, and then we can cut the pieces apart. We will not cut the pieces apart until after we have sanded and drilled.